Hello and welcome back to Loud Creations. I decided that I am ready to do a tasting video, and guess what we're tasting?
Honeysuckle grapefruit.
That sounds really tasty, but no, I wanted to taste my lemon rosemary mead that I made using the Wellcome Mead book. It has like 18th century recipes mead, and this was my first attempt at doing one of those recipes, and I started it, I want to say 8 months ago. So I didn't quite make it a year with this one, but I just, look how clear that is.
It's pretty clear.
It's pretty darn clear. It's 14.2%. I did not, I let this go dry. I don't think I back sweetened it. I will put a link to the video somewhere around here. So you can see how I made this. And if I recall, because I drank some of this, it turned out pretty good. You ready to try it?
Let's do it.
Okay. One of these glasses is chipped, so I'll give you, just turn it this way. Yeah. I chipped my favorite glasses. No good. Oh, there's a fly, a fruit fly. Wow.
Fruit fly approved.
Fruit fly approved. So, well, it smells very pleasant, actually. I can smell the lemon. I think I can catch a hint of rosemary.
I smell some rosemary.
It only called for like one sprig, and I think I put a little bit more than that in here, which initially might have been too much, but maybe it has blended by now. All right, I'm going to taste it.
It starts out very smooth, and then it's got a kick.
Yeah, it's like, whew.
It's kind of bland tasting. I don't know about bland, but like it's not like really citrusy or like really rosemary.
It tastes nice up front, but the aftertaste, I think that's where the rosemary is. It's like sticking to my tongue.
Yeah. It tastes like alcohol to me, but it
yeah,
doesn't really have a discernible flavor.
Well, I mean, it is 14.2%. I didn't really have high hopes for this one. I actually think it tasted better only 3 months old, so maybe they didn't let them age as long back then.
It doesn't taste bad. It's just a lot of the ones you've been making have a very distinct flavor, like they're orange or they're chocolate, and this one's kind of, it's neutral.
Yeah.
Bland is maybe not what I meant, but neutral.
It is, like it doesn't, I can taste the lemon, but it's kind of, it's light. It's like drinking a vodka drink with like, maybe with like a LaCroix or one of those flavored seltzer waters.
Not carbonated though.
But it's not carbonated. If I was to do this again, I'd probably put a little more rosemary in it, I think, because I don't even taste the rosemary. I wouldn't make it as high ABV for sure. The more I'm drinking it though, the more enjoyable it's getting. So that's good. But that first sip was a little like, whoa.
It's not bad. It's just not quite like I was expecting.
Yeah,
I was expecting to be tangy because of lemon, and it's not.
Yeah, it's definitely not super acidic.
Not at all.
But it goes down smooth considering the high alcohol content.
Yeah.
And I did let this go dry, so it's not.
Fruit flies coming in hot.
Yep. There's no sweet left in this.
Nothing
Go,
for you.
chew. So there it is. It's okay. I'm gonna drink it tonight. This is my bottle. I'm probably gonna enjoy it.
Yep.
But I would say there's probably a reason why they said to only put in, I don't know, I think it was 2 pounds of honey, and I think I put a little bit more, obviously, because I got up to 14.2%. So it would probably taste better with a lower ABV. I'd put maybe some dry lemon peel in here to like bring out the lemon essence more. And I don't know, with more rosemary it might be weird if I back sweetened it, but I like things a little sweet. I think. I think that's what it is. I'm trying to move away from that. And this is one of my not sweet ones. So there it is. I hope this video was useful somehow, and I will see you next time. Thank you.